The National Federation of the Blind of Michigan presents Sense-sational Adventures in Summer Science 2017.
Hi, my name is Donna Poson, and I'm a co-coordinator for the Sense-sational Adventures in Summer Science 2017.
My name is Fred Wurtzel, and I am co-coordinator of Sense-sational Adventures in Summer Science 2017. Sense-sational Adventures in Summer Science is a slightly over a week-long program for blind youth
Studying the STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering, math, and we have added art, making it a STEAM program.
We were able to utilize a variety of wonderful resources in the Dearborn and Greater Detroit area. That included Henry Ford Museum and Greenfield Village.
We see two actors in old-timey costumes leading an interactive performance.
Along with Calder Dairy.
We see blind students milking a cow.
We used chemistry and biology labs in the Environmental Interpretive Center, along with classrooms housed at the University of Michigan-Dearborn, along with the 300 acres of natural area on the campus.
Here, we see them being guided to examine plants in the surrounding natural area using their sense of touch.
Yeah, that's the flower of the plant, but now it's gone to seed. Here, you want to touch it?
This year we were joined by Paul Gross, who is the meteorologist with Channel 4 WDIV in Detroit. He came to the campus and interacted with our scientists, presenting information about his book called Extreme Michigan Weather, and he engaged the scientists in a lot of dialogue about weather and understanding how to produce a weather forecast.
Paul Gross addresses the students in a classroom.
So let's say you've got this massive cold air coming our way, and again, it's got a lead edge. So what we need to know is, when is the change going to be? Oh, there's that word again. When's it going to change from warm to cold? That's a very legitimate question to ask. We all want to know that, right? So, the front edge of that cold air coming our way is called, you're not going to believe how hard this is. It's called the cold front.
We were very privileged to have on our staff a blind chemist named Ashley Nybert from Colorado.
Ashley is wearing a shirt that says, "Warning, may go blind from my awesomeness."
Ashley worked with our students in the laboratories and out in the field as well. Some of the experiments included a fun thing where we made a version of Dippin' Dots. We used liquid nitrogen and ice cream to form these delectable treats.
Ashley developed a demonstration of how a tornado funnel works by swirling water in the circular motion down through buckets.
Students gather around a bucket of water outside and reach in to feel the tornado-like effects of a whirlpool's momentum.
Alright, so now you can stick your hand in there.
I want to feel it.
And feel it.
Oh, that's so cool.
And you can also feel what the bottom looks like.
Oh, that's hot.
She also helped us do an experiment called What's Blowing in the Wind, where we use glue traps to catch items in the air, and this helped us understand what Paul Gross had told us, that flying debris is the most dangerous element to a tornado.
We see the young scientists hanging glue traps from fences, walls, and branches.
Then you want to put the sticky side on the face out so that when the wind blows, it will catch all the things in the wind.
We were also joined by our biology professor, Dr. Oren Gelderloos, who helped us understand the effects of weather and climate on tree rings and gave us a reading from Sand County Almanac by Aldo Leopold.
Dr. Gelderloos helped us understand how interpretive writing can clarify science to people.
Dr. Gelderloos, and in appreciation of your helping us understand about forestry, we'd like to present you with our 2017 SASS shirt. And this was designed by one of our scientists, Lacey Tartmorgan.
The lazy tart.
Lacey, stand up. You know Lacey.
Where my boy the lazy tart Morgan?
One of the naturalists at the Environmental Center, Dorothy McClear, gave a presentation on the effects of weather and climate on the animal kingdom, and we studied pelts from different animals such as coyotes, wolves, and fox.
So if you are a mammal, surprised, you are. If you're a mammal, and in this case your body is totally covered with hair, would you have more or fewer layers of fur at this time of the year? Fewer.
The young scientists gather at the end of the program to reflect on their time together.
I loved the wave pool and visiting Greenfield Village and just everything.
Being with all the scientists and the staff here, they were all wonderful.
It's always nice coming here and hanging out with people, doing science-related things, and just, being with blind people and walking all over, doing things together. That's really nice.
We wish to thank the National Federation of the Blind and the National Federation of the Blind of Michigan
for providing this opportunity for our young blind scientists so that they can gain the skills, knowledge, and understanding that they can be successful in the STEM fields and live the lives they want. Additional thanks goes to the families of our young blind scientists for trusting us with their most precious children.
Thank you to the following organizations for your support to provide STEM educational opportunities to blind children in Michigan: National Federation of the Blind of Michigan, University of Michigan-Dearborn Environmental Interpretive Center, Michigan Parents of Children with Visual Impairments, Michigan Department of Education Low Incidence Outreach, Independence Science, the Michigan Bureau of Services for Blind Persons, Michigan Braille Transcribing Fund, Michigan Flyer, and Fairhaven Church. The music Surf Shimmy on My Way Too Cool Somewhere Sunny Carpe Diem and Closing the Divide by Kevin MacLeod and Compotech.com, licensed under Creative Commons by Attribution 3.0 license. Video edited by Ted Kindig.